Okay, the next group in the home, a drawing means if suppose I want to take any kind of shape, I can take that. See, there is the option. I'm checking one this kind of shape. See, again, I want something another shape. Home, you can see. Let me take a oval shape. Two shapes I took. Let me do it as a color. Okay, you already know if suppose I'm checking any kind of this shape, the extra tab will be open. That's called shape. You can do a many changes inside of the using this shape. Okay, going to the home. Okay, again back. There is after that options. Arrange that. Arrange means if suppose I want to move into backward, I can do that. See, arrange. There is an option send as a back. See, whatever the oval shape I have, I already send it into the back. So this is the way. Even I can do a color for my shape, even outline. You can see if suppose I want a red or outline, it's a red. See, if I'm zooming, you can see there is a red outline. Okay. After that, effects like shadow and something like different types of effects. A 3D mode, I can do that. After that, find means what exactly? Let me delete it this slide. Okay, and there is a something option part one. Okay, part one. Okay, same as it is. Let me copy these things. Okay, part two. Let me write over here part two. Okay, let me write over here part three. Okay, so basically, I want to search any kind of word inside. I want to search any kind of word inside of my slides. I can find that. How how? Go to the find. Okay, right over here. Suppose part three. So what exactly? It's automatically jump to the where exactly the part three. Say let's say find text. You can see it's automatically jump to the third section because I'm finding the word inside of my slides. Okay. Again, replace. If suppose I want to replace part three, okay, with the part four. See, click over here. See, replace. Okay. What I want to replace part three into the part four. So I can replace that. You can see. Or suppose what I want to replace, I want to replace as a part to the section. Section. Only I am using section word. Uh, means I'm replacing part word to the selection. Okay. Let me say replace all. So three replacement are there. See, there is a previously, a part is there. So it's replacing by the section. Okay, you can see section, section, all are section. So this is the use of editing. Icons, add icons means if suppose I want to add any extra applications inside of my slide, I can use that. Suppose I want to use a YouTube inside of that or chat GPT, any kind of application, I can use that. Suppose I want YouTube, just paste your YouTube link and just say set video, so it will be a YouTube over here. Okay, so this is all about recap home tab.